Preeti Properties and Developers, Velamal Garden, Phase 2. For bookings, call 9500-358-900. எல்லாருக்கும் இல்லம், அதுவே எங்கள் எண்ணம்.
Dr. M. Thambidurai, please. Yes.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise on behalf of the leader ADMK Party, Edappadi Palaniswamy, to speak on the bill, the Public Examination Amendment Bill 2026. Sir, I want to make it very clear. அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம் நீட் எதிர்ப்பு கொள்கை உறுதியாக உள்ளது. மத்திய அரசால் 2017 நடைபெற்ற என்எம்சி பில் வந்தபோது கடுமையாக எதிர்க்கப்பட்டது, நிலை கொடுக்க அணுக்கப்பட்டது, அழுத்தமான வாதங்களை எடுத்து வைக்கப்பட்டது. ஆகவே எந்த சூழ்நிலையிலும் நாங்கள் நீட் எக்ஸாமை அனைத்தையும் எதிர்க்கிறோம். அதில் எங்களுக்கு சந்தேகம் இல்லை.
Promise of perfection, a legacy of purity. GRC Jewellers, Kanchipuram.
So I want to also bring to the notice of this house what Siva said. In this, there is no difference both the persons against this NEET examination. But I want to bring certain history, political history in this history. Sir, when the National Eligibility Examination test was first notified in 2010, when the Medical Council of India pushed it through 2012 and 13, it was the UPA government headed by the Congress at the center, of which DMK was then a constant partner, that presided over the introduction of this bill.
Please.
Records of that period show that that when our leader, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Puratchi Thalaivi, Dr. Jayalalitha, wrote and to the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, as early as July 2013, within the days of Supreme Court first attracting down NEET examination, demanding that Tamil Nadu admission policy must be respected. It did not stop there, sir. When the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench later revived NEET, our Honorable former Chief Minister Amma wrote again in June 2014 and October 2015 to the then Prime Minister Modi ji, urging the center to withdraw the UPA second's own review petition and respect the earlier judgment striking down NEET. Sir, the review petition, your Amma, the review petition that kept this examination alive, the courts was filed under the UPA government, headed with the Congress and part of the DMK government, DMK party at that time.
Please,
it was the former Chief Minister, Amma Jayalalitha, who asked for politics to be withdrawn.
That
was DMK government.
Thambidurai ji, that is very senior man. No state politics,
Then it
please.
was a resolution.
Please.
Resolution.
Yes.
Proposal in the Assembly 31st January 2006 assumption for Tamil Nadu and Tamil Nadu from the NEET and send it to the approval of the central government. However, central government did not grant the approval.
DMK or AIDMK is
Following the COVID-19, Amma's government, Tamil Nadu government, under the leadership of Edappadi Palaniswamy, wrote to the Honorable Prime Minister of India and our Union Health Minister Naddaji at the time on July 8, July 2020, requesting an emergency national eligible contest for the 2021 academic year and to conduct admission to the medical and dental courses on the basis of classes of mark 12th mark. The letter requested the appropriate amendments to the Medical Council Act 1956 and Dentist Act 1948 and the relevant provisions of the connected laws. The above portion of the government of Tamil Nadu were reiterated during the video conference of the State Health Secretaries held on 25th August 2025, our party leadership Edappadi Palaniswamy. Sir, under the Edappadi Palaniswamy as Chief Minister, a special bill was
we are discussing national issue, not
the
state issue.
7% seats were reserved for the students studying government schools That was a historical decision
Please.
by the Edappadi Palaniswamy government to help the rural and poor
It's
students
not
get
a state
admission
subject.
in medical
Come on,
colleges.
Raji, yes.
I'm telling medical
Okay.
college, I'm
Yes,
telling
please.
the NEET
You speak on the
examination.
medical.
During the Edappadi Palaniswamy, from 2027, 23 medical
Yes,
colleges
point of
are
order.
established.
Mr.
They are
Tripti Shivaji,
recommended
point of
to
order.
Tamil Nadu education.
Yes, Mr. Thambidurai ji,
DMK
wait
government
for a minute.
started a UN
for a minute.
medical college.
Mr.
sir.
Thambidurai ji,
Then
wait
I'm coming to
for
the
a
point
minute.
now.
Mr. Thambidurai ji, wait for a minute.
In 2010, the seat NEET
That
exam
was
was won by the Congress TV
Please.
challenge.
No,
At the
state
time,
issue.
Congress Chief Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad was the Health Union Minister,
Please.
and the DMK.
No issue between that DMK issue
Why
that
the UPA DMK government
of your discussion?
when we
No,
had
no position of DMK government or ADMK.
2027,
We are discussing central issue.
should have
Please.
given it through a review petition.
Please.
Sir, 27
I'll
students
give
of
you.
Tamil Nadu
I'll give you.
committed suicide. As even the securing
Mr. Thambidurai ji, is your point of order.
that could not be
Please,
secured
I'm calling
medical court case.
Tripti Shivaji.
The DMK has repeatedly included the removal of the NEET examination.
Thambidurai ji, he's the point of order.
2021 and
Please.
26 Tamil Nadu Assembly
He's the point
election,
of order I'm
as
giving
well as
you.
24
Please.
local
No,
elections.
you go to-
But they did not implement it.
No, it will be part of it will be not part of the discussion.
Shared by them.
You speak.
The former DMK
Please take your seat.
Tamil Nadu
Point of
launched
order.
a statement signature.
Please go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. I'm telling you, please go back to your
The
seat.
petition to the president, but it's still
No,
nothing.
no, no,
has
no, no,
happened.
I'm telling Tripti,
That is the Tamil Nadu
your
people.
speech will go on.
My point of order is under Rule 247.
Yes, yes. Yes, you
Totaling, speaking out of the bill and which
Yes.
are irrelevant to about the bill, sir.
I
Public
have
examination.
warned and we will take
So all those
corrective
things must
action.
be
Yes.
expunged, sir.
Please speak now.
All those
Yes.
things must be expunged.
Please, Honorable Chairman has already mentioned it.
Please.
Dr. Thambidurai ji, please conclude.
Here
You
you
conclude.
review petition that
Dr. Tasir, take your seat.
the courts,
Please.
Amma only they oppose.
No, it will
Now
not
the
be part.
DMK government and the time they opposed it, not the
Honorable Thambidurai ji,
only on 2026.
Honorable Chairman has made it clear it will not be part of the record as the rules.
After right,
We are not discussing state subjects.
students right.
We are not discussing this. No, 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 it will not be part. No,
I'm telling
no, no, it will not be part.
Happened.
You please
Sir, I
speak on the
was coming
subject.
to that.
You
Sir,
speak on the
important
subject.
point. I'm
You
coming
speak
to
on the
important
subject. You
question.
come in the point
Former
that will be the part of the
Education
discussion.
Minister Dharmendra Pradhanji had made it very
Please.
clear that this government has zero tolerance against the
I am already-
education
Please.
mafias,
Please.
education
Please.
mafias,
Please.
and will not allow a single child to be deprived of their rights. Sir, the rapid mushrooming of coaching centers across the country has become a matter of serious concern. Many of these institutions
Please take your
charge
seats, I have
exorbitant
already
fees,
told.
placing an enormous financial burden on students and their families. All private coaching centers should be abolished. That last we have to bring, abolish the organized exemption malpractices and the commercialization of
We have
education.
given ruling already,
Therefore,
Gandhi.
the unhealthy
Please.
competition among the
take your
coaching
seat.
centers to produce top-ranking students has given rise to growing
We have already-
competition regarding the examination-related
We
irregularities.
have already told you it will not
Important
be part.
consequence of the prevailing coaching center is gradual erosion of the importance of school education, particularly 11th and 12th
माननीय
standard,
सदस्य ने
and
जो भी
increase in
चीजें
number of
तमिलनाडु में और
real
एमपी के
coaching
DMK के बारे में
classes
कही
over
है,
regular
as per
classrooms,
rules 1102
Gather-
that will be not part
undermining
of
the
this.
role of the school of the private education. Sir,
record.
I want
Please.
to bring the kind notice of the Honorable Minister here. Sir, the coaching centers, the mushrooms, there the leaks are coming. The mafias of, this is what Dharmendra Pradhan said, the mafias. These mafias, where the coaching centers are Kota and other Bihar area and also Maharashtra and the many places, the leaks are coming place because the image of the Modi's government is because of these mafias running what Pradhan they said. Sir, I am request your health minister, sir, bring a amendment, the rule, instead of this bill, you have to bring, abolish the coaching centers. Even to get the primary school, LKG school, everybody has to get the permission. But how can these coaching centers running this kind of mafia like running and leaking the question papers? This is the question, sir, that +2 students are not attending classes, +1, +2. They are all going coaching centers. The whole schools, you go and see that. high school, they are third period. What is the use of your new education policy 2020 you are brought? How to implement it? That is why I'm asking. You abolish first, bring the law. That way the only solution to stop this malpractice. These mafias, as Pradhan said, they are spoiling the image of your NDA government. This is the thing. You think that way, that whatever bringing this bill, even though there's some merits and that, but I'm telling first coaching center must be abolished and see that bring the act, because coaching merely IAS is different, but this is a coaching center for going to +2 to the other grade, or JEE examination or any of FD conducting that, just going to other class, +1 plus DGD course they are going. Therefore, this is another education
Please
institution.
conclude.
How they can run
Please
without the
conclude.
permission of the
Please-
government?
please
That's what I'm
conclude.
saying, right?
Please
Therefore,
conclude.
please abolish these
Please-
coaching centers.
please
Which is the
conclude.
priority. Sir,
Dr.
such a
Thambidurai ji,
rules
conclude.
you cannot,
Conclude.
whatever recorded, I spoke within the limit. Sir, you have every right to go through my speech. But
please conclude.
taking as advantage is bringing, I think that way it will affect me.
Please.
Don't remove, sir.
Please.
Already all broadcasted by I spoke.
Please
Don't do
conclude.
that.
Please
I have-
conclude.
within-
Please take your seat.
I am
Please
speaking with the,
Please.
not speaking with you. I am speaking with the
Yes,
deputy
yes,
chairman.
yes, yes.
I have every right to speak at deputy chairman.
Please.
I'm not speaking with
Please.
you.
I'll-
You cannot control
Please
me.
conclude now.
I have every right to speak.
Please conclude.
Here
It's
again,
1 minute more. No, it will not be
This kind of-
No,
I don't know what is happening.
No, it will not be.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, Mane sir, just 1 minute. 1 minute, Tiruchi, 1 minute, take your seats. Mane Dr. M. Thambidurai ji is a very senior, seasoned man. You know the rules better. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन ने शुरू में ही बहुत क्लियरली कह दिया था कि विषय पर जो नहीं बोलेंगे उनके लिए कौन से रूल अप्लाई होंगे. आपके स्पीच का वही हिस्सा जो रेलिवेंट होगा एक पर चेयरमैन डायरेक्शन वही जाएगा रिकॉर्ड पे. आई मेड इट क्लियर. आई मेड इट क्लियर. मेड इट क्लियर. हाँ प्लीज तिरुचि जी बोले. हाँ तिरुचि शिवा.
Mike, sir.
ओके तिरुचि शिवा.
Sir.
माइक इज आई हैव गिवन प्लीज
If a,
प्लीज
if a person, sir, if conflict of interest is there, the member who is speaking should always declare that he has conflict of interest.
Please.
He's running a medical college.
Please,
So
take
you
your
should
seat.
have said at the
Please.
beginning itself.
No, it's
Number
not
one,
personal
sir.
thing. No personal thing. No
Sir.
personal things will go on. with
PRS.
that. No personal
See,
thing
these
will go on.
people,
Yes.
YSR party has 4 members. They have been given 6 minutes. Same 4 members, how 10
Please.
minutes, sir?
It's written here. I don't know.
How,
Please.
how come, sir?
Manager Ram Ramesh ji. Please. Please. No, please. No. You take your seat. Please. Sir. Just, yes. Please. Please. Sir. Please. Sir, I'm calling. Please. Dr. Thambidurai ji. Yes. You please. Dr. Thambidurai. Yes.
Sir, he is putting aspersion against me.
Yes.
I am not running any medical college.
I have already told him that
I am not any medical college.
माननीय किसी सदस्य के
ये
बारे में
PM
कुछ
के
भी कहने
सर
के
medical college.
पहले माननीय चेयरमैन से
PM
परमिशन लेना पड़ता है. No, it will not be part of
I'm
this.
making
Preeti Properties and Developers, Velamal Garden Phase 2. For bookings call 9500 358 900. எல்லாருக்கும் இல்லம் அதுவே எங்கள் எண்ணம்.
Promise of perfection, a legacy of purity. GRC Jewellers, Kanchipuram.
மின்னம்பலம்.com தமிழின் முதல் மொபைல் பத்திரிகை.